Hello. Hello again. It went away and the little box said trying to reconnect. But here I am. I am live, and it's already Tuesday. Can you imagine it? A week till Christmas Eve. And there you have it. This is a real quick one. I realized as I was working out this morning, going around the gym, that, as long as we continue to look outward, pay attention to everything going on all around us, the jumbled up activity of this time of year, the press of crowds, even if they're not physically pressing on you, their anxiety to get the right gift, or their wanting to get so many things done in such a short amount of time, cars that whiz by you or cut in front of you, those kinds of things that express the tension, I'll just say it, the excitement of the season. As long as we continue to function in that direction, and because you can only do just so much at any one time, ignore what's going on the inside, that influence will increase and increase and increase until we find ourselves rushing when there's really no need, pressuring when we don't really want, and so on. And the sad part about that is that as we suppress those things that are going on inside, because we are focused elsewhere, not paying attention to our own needs, frankly, we're also suppressing the joy of the season, the peace of the season, the calm that we need and want in our lives, especially at a time when that true focus is, the reason this whole holiday is even set up is for the appearance of Jesus the Christ, who brought peace. He came to free the oppressed. He came for all the things that get suppressed along with the rushing around and the effort, the drivenness of this season. And it just cuts it off. Let's really pay attention to this truth. The truth about what's going on inside that needs attention. Do we really need to buy more gifts? Do we really want to press the budget out of shape? Do we really want to do 18 things instead of maybe 4 or 5 that are really quality? We can give ourselves to them in order to be able to nurture the peace that we crave, the freedom that Jesus came, that God's plan was there, and Jesus came to remember that at this time, and to not just dwell on it for this season, but to invite it into our lives to carry forth as the days continue. So there's my quick resilience out of trauma tip. Really pause and ponder what's going on for you. I'm on my way to do the same. God bless you. Have a happy Tuesday. A blessed one, actually. Bye-bye.